What's up guys, my name is Vapid obviously, and today we have the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now what's so particular about the Max? Literally nothing. Now let's just jump into it. Now if I just do that, because all of it's paper and you'll see that on the protective coating for the phone, which we might have a nice little appearance from Lucy, the girlfriend. Let me just get a glass of water. And sexy. This is the deep purple, as you could tell from the packaging. However, if we just lift it up like that, we can have a look at the screen. Now, as I told you, there is paper on the front. It's not plastic as it used to be. I remember that with my first gen iPhone SE. But a new addition is the plus and minus on obviously the corresponding buttons here. The mute switch, which is, well, every phone should have one, and the power button. Now what I'm noticing is I've never actually held a Max phone or a Pro Max phone, not even the XS Max, none of them. And I'm noticing it's not that big, actually, compared to, maybe it's just because my 𝘉𝘬𝘭𝘢𝘹 is as tall as this, if not a bit taller. And we'll look at the accessories, which is basically nothing. Everyone reckons the iPhone 15 is going to be USB-C, so pretty redundant cable, to be fair, unless they do a lightning plug to put in USB-C peripherals, but probably not. Designed by Apple in California, as per. Here's all your little booklet stuff. You've got a SIM ejector tool, so yes, you do have a SIM card tray.
I know, it came with a SIM in the box.
So I'll let you do the honours. Do you want to?
Yeah, I got my nails done.
So come a bit further down. We'll cut this out. Go on then.
So my nails.
Focus.
Whee.
But there we go. Oh, mate. We'll leave it as that because I'm not gonna set it up. But again, it's a midnight sort of colour, so it's not exactly black, but it's not really blue either. So we'll just put that to one side. Oh, there we are. Apple Watch. Oh, it's another Apple Watch. So this is the 41mm Series 8. You can see that right there. There we are. And I think, to be fair, we might do a size comparison. It's not too much bigger. Smaller even than my 44mm Series 4. So it comes in a paper bag as opposed to a felt one. And because it's such a funny colour, I won't be able to catch it on camera. What's that?
You can do Face ID with a mask on here.
So yeah, there is the, maybe if I catch it in the light, you can't really tell what sort of colour it's supposed to be. I'd say that's literally just black.
It's going to take about an hour to transfer away.
There we go. Again, I won't be setting that up. Lucy will. We might do a size comparison. Maybe we'll do that on the review. We'll see. Lucy could do the review, couldn't you? You could be a presenter. And then there's...
Do I want to share my analytics?
I don't, compared to all this.
It's my case.
Very snazzy. There we are, sure. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Get a little thumbs up there. There we are. What a dead video. Right, if you did enjoy this video, a like would be greatly appreciated. Obviously we've got the Apple Watch, we'll sort that out at a later date, and then hopefully there'll be a review at some point. Don't know when, don't know where, but catch you guys on the flip-flop. See you later, my taters. Bye.